Do you know what kills more sales than bad ads? Silence. Most people sign up for your emails and never hear from you again until you suddenly ask them to buy something. By that time, they don't even remember who you are. So let's fix that. In this video, you'll learn how to build a nurture sequence, the kind of email flow that turns strangers into loyal buyers automatically. It's simple, it's smart, and it can boost your first purchase rate by up to 50%. So let's do it. Here's the thing. People rarely buy right after subscribing. They need to trust you first, see your story, your values, your products in action. That's exactly what a nurture sequence does. Instead of hammering them with sales emails, you're going to send a carefully timed series of messages over 1 to 3 weeks. That's going to warm them up. It starts 24 hours after your welcome email, and from there, every message builds on the last. Here's the template. The first email shares your brand story and your mission. The second, customer testimonials, basically proof that you are the real deal. Then comes educational or how-to content, showcasing your expertise. Next, a peek behind the scenes so they see the human side of your brand, and only after that do you drop your first offer. By then, they know you, they like you, and they trust you. That's when they buy. Here's how it works behind the scenes. In your automation platform, like GetResponse, you send a trigger. For example, when someone joins the list, wait 1 day, then send the first nurture email. Then you add time delays between each message. 2 to 3 days apart tends to work best. Each email gets sent automatically without you lifting a finger. The system also tracks who opens, clicks, or buys. And you can even stop the sequence automatically when someone makes their first purchase. That's what makes automation so powerful. You're not just sending random emails, you're building relationships at scale. And the best part? Email marketing delivers an average ROI of $42 for every $1 spent. Once you set this flow up, it runs 24/7, turning new leads into happy customers whilst you sleep. If you like this automation, then you're gonna love the next one, which is abandoned cart recovery, where we're gonna show you how to win back customers who almost bought but didn't. So hit that subscribe button and don't miss the rest of this e-commerce automation masterclass series. And if you want the full templates and examples today, grab your free marketing automation for e-commerce ebook below. Happy marketing.